Hi guys, let's try the new online eCAV process. Just go to their website and then apply now. If you don't have the account yet, just sign up. You write your full name and then you have to put your current and active email address, and then you have to make your own password. After that, just click the I accept the terms and conditions and then click sign up. And then click apply now. Then next is the eCAV access. Next to that is the green button authorize, and then click applicant, graduate, or students. Next is you have to fill in this one with your personal details. It's all about you, your full name, your date of birth, your mobile number in the Philippines, your address, etc. If you're done, just click the complete registration and you can see the registration successful. Go to Ched One Touch and then eCAV process, apply now, and you can see the my application and click the new applicants. Next one is you have to read everything. The first one is you have to review your requirements before sending everything. So you have to request your documents from the school where you graduated. And the second one is how many working days, 7 or 20 days, and then the application validity, payment terms, and data privacy. And if you're done reading everything, just click I confirm that I have read, understood, and click continue. Okay, next, so since I am an OFW, so we're gonna use it abroad, so I'll click abroad use, then click next, and then you will proceed to the application form. You have to fill in where did you graduate or earn your academic units. So I'm from region 11 in Davao region, and then my school is Holy Cross of Davao College. Hello to Holy Crossians. And then when did you graduate, and recognize programs. So I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education generally, so just choose your degree in there. So here is the Bachelor of Elementary Education, and then click next, and you have to review the personal informations. So just check everything. So if you want to edit, you can edit that one. Just click the previous one, and then if you are sure with the informations already, so just click next. Next is the step 4, which is the application details. First is you have to choose a country, any country you like, and then a student type, you are a graduate, and then sector, of course, the not applicable, and then choose purpose, which is employment. And then next is if you are a first-time job seeker, you are qualified for payment exemption. But since this is not my first time, so I will click the choose file. So the documents that I have, the TUR, diploma, etc. So you have to attach here. And please make sure that you use PDF form. And then after that, just click upload. So my documents here, and click next. So we're already step 6. So apply online. That's recommended. Then click next. So this is the application form. Just review all the informations. If you want to edit something, just click edit. So you can see the edit, that blue one, you can click that one. And then I hereby affirm, then submit. They will give you the application number. Just keep this one by yourself, so do not share it with anyone. And then click continue to pay. After that, yes, this one only for 80 pesos, just very cheap. Then request for the QR code to pay for that 80 pesos. Yes, that one. So if you're done, you can see the transaction success. Yes, and then click go back to merchant. That's it. You completed your process, and then just wait for the email. And it was quick. This is my email, and the next one is the apostille documents. Bye.